Elon Musk just did something no one expected. Tesla shut down Giga Texas right after hitting record deliveries. But this isn't a setback. It's a signal. Inside sources and new drone footage reveal massive retooling, new robotics, and expanded power systems, all pointing to one thing. Tesla is secretly preparing for the $25,000 Model 2. Is this the turning point for affordable EVs? Let's dive right in. Right after wrapping up its strongest quarter ever, over 497,000 vehicles delivered, Tesla did something no one expected. On October 3rd, Giga Texas suddenly went dark. For 2 straight days, production stopped completely. No cars leaving, no trucks arriving. Most assumed it was just post-quarter maintenance, but insiders quickly noticed this was different. Drone operator Joe Techtmeyer, who has tracked the site for years, released footage showing steel frames rising, heavy cranes moving in, and underground wiring crews working around the clock. This wasn't maintenance, it was a rebuild. And the goal wasn't to fix, it was to prepare. Inside Tesla's Austin headquarters, engineers were coordinating something known internally as Project Redwood. It's long been rumored to be the code name for the $25,000 Model 2, Elon Musk's most ambitious bet yet. A car meant to bring Tesla to the global mass market. To understand why this matters, we need to look back at Tesla's playbook. Every major product in Tesla's history began as an experiment. In 2016, Musk quietly released budget versions of the Model S. Analysts thought it was a move to boost short-term sales. But, in reality, Tesla was testing battery configurations, scaling logistics, and refining production timing. 1 year later, that same experiment became the Model 3, and sales exploded by 300%. Now, it's happening again. Tesla just introduced standard versions of the Model 3 and Model Y, priced at $36,990 and $39,990, respectively. On paper, it looks like a cost-cutting move. But behind the scenes, these cars are test beds for something much bigger. By removing luxury features and using LFP battery packs, Tesla can measure real-world performance, analyze user feedback, and stress-test supply chains. It's all preparation. Each iteration refines the foundation for what's next. A truly affordable high-volume EV, the Model 2. Even now, California residents have spotted a camouflaged Tesla hatchback that's 15 to 20% shorter than the Model 3, sporting new proportions never seen in the Tesla lineup. That's not speculation, that's evidence. When Giga Texas shut down, Tesla made sure the world saw Cybertrucks rolling out the front gate. But that was deliberate misdirection. While attention stayed on the Cybertruck, the west side of the factory underwent a total transformation. New gantry cranes, robotic arms, and modular workstations were installed. The same components required for Tesla's Unboxed manufacturing concept, which can cut production costs by up to 50%. This process doesn't build a car from front to back like traditional assembly lines. Instead, it builds each section separately, then connects them in a final snap-fit stage. That's how Tesla can scale fast, and how Model 2 can reach mass production without building 10 new factories. And that's not all. A new area called Cortex-2 is being equipped with Optimus Gen 2 robots, humanoid machines that will soon handle repetitive tasks like parts assembly, component delivery, and quality inspection. According to internal reports, Tesla plans to deploy 1,000 Optimus robots at Giga Texas by the end of 2025, cutting manual labor by up to 80% and reducing build time per vehicle to just 15 seconds. That's not just efficiency, it's a revolution in manufacturing. But how can Tesla build 2 million new cars a year when people worry the US power grid is already under strain? The answer lies in timing and planning. According to the US Energy Information Administration, total national electricity supply is expected to grow from 4,191 billion kilowatt-hours in 2025 to 4,600 billion kilowatt-hours in 2026, with over 90% of new capacity coming from solar and wind. Meanwhile, Tesla is expanding its supercharger network at record speed, adding 395 new stations and 3,262 stalls in just the third quarter of 2025. Most of these are V4 chargers, compatible with nearly every EV model using the new NACS standard. And the biggest change? Tesla's rollout of virtual power plants, VPPs, and Megapack storage systems. These allow energy from millions of Teslas, including future Model 2s, to be stored, shared, and sold back to the grid. Through bidirectional charging, V2G and V2H, every Model 2 can act as a micro-power station. When the grid is overloaded, it gives energy back. When there's excess solar power, it charges cheaply. So instead of overwhelming the grid, Tesla's fleet could actually stabilize it, turning a potential weakness into a national strength. And here's the surprising math. 2 million Model 2s charging daily would consume only 7 to 8 billion kilowatt-hours per year, less than 0.2% of total projected US supply. That means the grid isn't the problem anymore. It's part of the solution. Now, let's look at the bigger picture. Pausing production right after Q3 wasn't a random decision. Tesla cleared inventory intentionally, a clean break before the next era begins. Competitors like BYD, NIO, and Volkswagen are preparing to flood the US and European markets with sub-$25,000 EVs by 2026. Musk isn't reacting. He's striking first. By launching the Model 2 early, Tesla locks in the narrative. Affordable EV equals Tesla. And by doing it through Giga Texas, the company maintains full control over its innovation stack, from hardware and AI to energy and software. That combination is something no other automaker can match. What most people still underestimate is how AI and robotics tie into all of this. Giga Texas isn't just being rebuilt for cars. It's being rebuilt for autonomous production. The same AI systems that power Tesla's full self-driving are now being retrained to guide factory robots. This cross-integration allows Tesla to teach Optimus robots how to assemble vehicles, troubleshoot issues, and adapt in real time. That's why Tesla's Dojo supercomputer project is expanding in parallel. It's not just training self-driving cars, it's training a workforce of intelligent robots. If Tesla succeeds, the Model 2 won't just be the cheapest EV ever made. It'll be the first car built by AI for humans at scale. And that's the real story behind the shutdown. Tesla isn't slowing down, it's leveling up. When you connect every piece, the shutdown, the retooling, the AI expansion, and the energy integration, it becomes clear. Tesla isn't just preparing to launch a new vehicle, it's building the foundation for a new era of manufacturing and sustainable energy. The evidence is no longer speculation. Giga Texas has resumed operations with visible structural upgrades. Supplier shipments for LFP batteries and compact frame components have spiked. Power substation expansions are nearly complete. Every sign points to one conclusion. Model 2, production is imminent. And that means the $25,000 Tesla, once dismissed as a fantasy, is now within reach. Is Tesla truly ready to bring the Model 2 to life? Or is this another bold promise ahead of its time? Drop your thoughts below. Do you believe this strategy will reshape the EV world, or redefine what affordable innovation really means? And this is exactly why Tesla's shutdown at Giga Texas isn't just another headline, it's a turning point. What's happening there is the foundation of a new era in technology. Cleaner, faster, smarter manufacturing that could reshape how we live and move. The $25,000 Model 2 isn't just a cheaper car. It's proof that innovation can be accessible to everyone, not just the elite. If Tesla succeeds here, it changes everything. From how we power our homes to how we build the machines that may one day take us beyond Earth. So, what's your take? Do you believe this moment marks the true beginning of affordable, sustainable technology? Drop your thoughts below. We read every comment. If you found value in this analysis, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what comes next. This is Tech Revolution, where we decode the breakthroughs shaping our future. Because the revolution isn't coming someday, it's happening right now.